Hi friends, this is a fun project to make your own Cat in the Hat. You have this page, you have the hat page, and you have the bow page. And there's several here, so if you want to make 2 cats, you can. If you want to have extra bows, you can. So first you're going to try cutting this out. If you need help, that is completely fine. And you're going to cut out the hats. Now, if you remember from our stories, his hats are white and red. So you can use your crayons. I'm sending you some paint. You can use your paint. You can use your watercolors, colored pencils, tissue paper, anything you want to get these to be red and white. Then you have his bow. What color is his bow? His bow is red. You can make it any color you want. You can use the paint, you can use watercolors, you can use crayons, markers, anything you want. And you're going to put all the pieces together. His hat will go on, his bow will go on, but something's missing. He has his bow, he has his hat, but he doesn't have a face. So what does his face look like? Any ideas? Have lots of fun with this. Then underneath is a hat for you. What color are you going to make this hat? We know that the Cat in the Hat is red and white. So how are you going to decorate your hat? You can use the paint, you can use watercolors, you can use any way you want, and then wrap it around your head or put it up on the wall. But have fun. We're celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday. Bye, friends.